Okay guys, our today's topic is B tree, and we have to create a B tree using some nodes or the elements given, and here some degree or the order of the B tree will be given. So what is B tree? It is nothing but a MV search tree with some rules. Okay, we have already seen the MV search tree, and that the MV search tree having some drawbacks. So that drawbacks can be overcome here using some rules. So that rules are included here. Let's see what are that rules. The first rule is what? The every node must have filled at least half with the childrens. So as we have the degree of the tree is m, so m by 2 childrens must be there, and root can have the minimum 2 childrens. Okay, so as we have the root, suppose 20, so it should have at least 2 childrens. Okay, so 15 and 25 might be there. Okay, and at least leaf nodes must be at, sorry, all leaf nodes must be at the same level. So this we will see, and the creation of the process is bottom up. So what is that? I'll explain you during the example. So suppose we are having an example like this. Okay, so this is the example that we have to solve, and we have to create a B tree for this given elements. Here the order of the tree is given 4. It means the maximum 4 childs can be there for each root. Okay, and maximum child is 4. So and minimum child we can calculate, that is m by 2, that is 2. The keys, maximum keys, that will be m minus 1, that is 3, and minimum keys will be m by 2 minus 1, that is 1. So these are the values that we have to calculate before starting with the creation of the B tree. Suppose we are creating a B tree, so we start inserting the elements. So as we know that in our tree we can have the maximum 3 keys. So first key, second key, and third key. So suppose I am inserting first element, that is 10. Okay, so I am inserting 10. So when I am inserting 10, it will be insert directly, no issues. When I am inserting 20, so we will check the position of the 20. As B tree also follows the rule of the binary search tree, and binary search tree is what? Where all the smaller elements are kept in left hand side of the root, and greater are kept in the right hand side of the root. So it follows that rules. So here after 10 we will be inserting 20, so यहाँ पे आएगा. Then next element is what? 40. So we will insert what? 40, जो कि 20 से बड़ा है. So we will insert it here. Now we have to insert 50, that is the next element. So where to insert 50? So when we will insert the 50, it is greater than 40, so we can insert it here. But it has some issue. Why? Because our node size is what? 3. So we cannot insert it here. So what we have to do? We have to break this node from the any point. So we can insert, we can break this node in 2 ways, either left bias or right bias. Suppose I am inserting right bias, so we have to follow the right bias technique throughout the this tree. Okay, tree creation for all nodes. Suppose I am using right bias, so what will happen? The new node will be like this, 10, 20, and this empty node, plus we are having the second node, that is 50 and 2 empty nodes, and key or 40 will be the root. Okay, so this is the 40 is the root, and these 2 are the childs of the 40. Now what is the next element that we have to insert is what? 60. So we will insert the 60. Where we can insert? So 60 is bigger than the 50, so we will insert it here. Then 70, so 70 is bigger than 60, so it insert here, sorry. Then 80, so where to insert 80? This is the place where we can insert it, the 80, as we know that it is bigger than the 70. But we cannot insert 80 as the size of the node is 3 only, and that is already filled. So we have to break this key again. So how to break it? We know that we are using right bias, so we will break it here, and we'll move the 70 to the upward side. As we have already seen that this process is a bottom up approach. Okay, so bottom up approach है. So हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We first create the root. So 40 was there, and now 70 will be your new root. और 40 के राइट साइड में था, सॉरी लेफ्ट साइड में था 10 and 20 as it is, and we have created a new node that is 50 and 60. Okay, these two nodes have one empty cells, that is okay, we can use them afterward. And we have created a new node with the element that is 30. So our key is what, 80, and we can insert two more keys here. Okay, so this is our new node. Okay, after this, now what we have to do, we have to insert 30 and 35. Now 30 is what, it is lesser than 40, so where to insert? So we will insert it here in this node. Yes, we can insert it here, so we are inserting it here. 30 is inserted successfully. Now we have next 35. Where to insert 35? It is lesser than 40 but greater than 30, so we will insert it here, but it is not possible. So what we have to do again, we have to break the key. Okay, so now हम लोग क्या करना है, इस नोड को ब्रेक करना है. सो हम लोग जब ब्रेक करेंगे तो हमारे पास दो नए नोड आएंगे, 10-20 वाला एक नोड एंड 35 का सेकेंड नोड, एंड ये 30 से 30 वो ऊपर जाएगा विद दिस 40 and 70. सो कैसे दिखेगा, 30, 40 and 70. एंड इसकी कितने नोड्स बनेंगे अभी, चाइल्ड्स, एज वी हैव 3 एलिमेंट्स, तो चाइल्ड कितने बनेंगे, 4. फर्स्ट चाइल्ड इज व्हाट, दिस 10, 20. ओके, सेकंड चाइल्ड क्या बनेगा आपका, 35 एंड 2 एम्प्टी नोड्स. थर्ड चाइल्ड कैसे बनेगा, 50 एंड 60 एंड एम्प्टी नोड. एंड फोर्थ चाइल्ड जो बनेगा वो बनेगा 80. ओके, सो ये हमारा नोड है. दिस इज आवर ट्री, बाइनरी ट्री. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू इंसर्ट नाउ नेक्स्ट, देन 5 एंड 15 वी हैव टू इंसर्ट. ओके, अभी 35 के बाद 5 और 15 इंसर्ट करेंगे. सो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट इज व्हाट, 5. सो हम लोग 5 का इंसर्ट करेंगे इस नोड में. देखिए 5 इज लेस देन 10, सो वी कैन इंसर्ट इट हियर, बट वेयर टू इंसर्ट, सो हियर वी हैव टू इंसर्ट. ओके, सो वी विल इंसर्ट इट हियर. सपोज आई एम इंसर्टिंग 30, 40 and 70. So this is our new structure when after including the 5. Now what is the last element, that is 15. So 15 where to insert, we can see here 15 is we have to place in between 10 and 20. So यहाँ कहीं पे आएगा, बट अगर वो यहाँ पे इंक्लूड करते हैं 15 तो क्या हो जाएगा, एलिमेंट्स विल बी मोर. सो हम लोगों को क्या करना पड़ेगा, 15 यहाँ से ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा. 5 और 10 इसका एक नोड बनेगा, 15 जाएगा ऊपर यहाँ पे इसके साथ में. ओके, एंड 20 का एक नोड बनेगा. तो क्या होता है यहाँ पे, देखिए फिर से यहाँ पे 4 एलिमेंट्स हो जाएंगे एंड इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. तो क्या होगा, हम लोग को यहाँ पे फिर से ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा. तो कहाँ से ब्रेक करेंगे, एज वी आर यूजिंग राइट बायस, तो हम लोग यहाँ से 40 से ब्रेक करेंगे, सॉरी. सो न्यू नोड क्या बनेगा, रूट नोड इज़ 14, 15 एंड 30 हो जाएगा लेफ्ट नोड एंड 70 इज़ योर राइट नोड, इसका पार्टीशन. देन उसके बाद में क्या होगा, यहाँ पे देखिए 15 और 30 जो नोड है उसके 3 चाइल्ड नोड्स बने, वो है 5 और 10 जो यहाँ से निकला. 15 हम लोगों ने ऊपर भेजा था, तो 20 इज़ अ न्यू नोड. ओके, एंड 35 इज़ द नेक्स्ट नोड. ओके, एंड देन 70 जो था उसके 2 नोड बने, द लेफ्ट नोड इज़ दिस एंड राइट नोड इज़ दिस. सो इस टाइप से आपका फाइनल आउटपुट ये आता है. ओके, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें, और प्लीज़ लाइक एंड कमेंट द वीडियो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो. थैंक यू.